Morning. I'm at Middleton Lakes today with my brother because my new camera's turned up. So excited. I haven't even took a photo with it yet. I've had it since Tuesday, and because this is the only full frame lens I've got for it, I can't really take photos of this of a night. It's a bit too dark when I finish work, so I'm still waiting for my 24 to 70mm to arrive. So yeah, I'm excited to have a go. I haven't even took a photo with it yet. So yeah, let's crack on. Yahoo! Well, that's that. But a bit of a quick walk round. The lighting was terrible to start with, so the first lot of shots I don't think we did any good at all. But I walked around the lakes. I missed Kingfisher again. I saw a bit of blue and I thought, is that Kingfisher? By then it started to take off and I completely missed it. We had a bit of a walk down the river looking for it, but we couldn't find it. Had a bit of a walk round. It's been very quiet today. Not a lot about. I think woodpecker, a buzzard or something. That's about it really, not a lot, but I've had a little bit of a play with it and already done a big mistake. I walked around halfway around and then realised I was in APS-C mode still from when I've been trying it out on my other lenses, because my other lens isn't here yet. So for half of the photos I was in the wrong mode, but luckily I spotted it about halfway around. So yeah, nothing to shout about, but I've had a little play with it and I'm really impressed. One thing I can say is I'm really impressed with the tracking and the bird eye focus. That's really good as well. And that's about it. I've got to go now because I've got to go shopping. But until next week, thanks for watching.